Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Green. Before starting our analysis part, do subscribe and tap that bell icon to get notified whenever we upload videos in future. So without any further delay, let's start. I'm going to start the analysis with Sandur Manganese and Iron Ores Limited. This company is involved in mining of low phosphorus manganese and iron ore in Ballari region of Karnataka. It is the largest private miner of manganese ore in India. Now this is the weekly time frame chart of this stock. I have already shared this chart analysis in my YouTube first video and on Instagram too when it gave the breakout from this resistance level of 1415. It gave us a return of more than 55% from the retest level and still looking good on chart for the fresh entry. If we look into the price action here, this wide range green candle breakout from this resistance level with huge volumes. In every previous analysis video, I keep on emphasizing on volumes and volumes. Are volumes that important? Yes. In naked trading, which means trading without any indicators, the analysis of volumes is very basic and important element. So we must analyze strength or weakness of a given price move by its accompanying volume. Now see this price move here. We can analyze the strength of this price move by analyzing the accompanying volumes. If you see, the price is moving higher and the accompanying volumes are also significantly increasing. Again, the prices were falling lower. Whether it is just a retracement or a trend reversal, we need to validate with accompanying volumes. Here, the prices are falling and the volumes are also falling. So there is no strength in that price move. So we can conclude that this is just a correction, not a trend reversal to worry about. I hope you understand that clearly. Let's move on to daily time frame for further analysis. We can see it is making a bullish structure. If you have already watched my previous videos, you know what is a bullish structure means. Yes, you're right. A bullish structure means a stock is making higher highs and higher lows. You can also observe the stock is rallying up in a parallel ascending channel, taking support and resistance multiple times at channel extremes. Now the stock is trading at the channel support and ready to move up for the other end of the channel. So with initial stop below 1934 on closing basis, current market price is looking good for the entry. And these are the resistance levels you need to watch out. Let's move on to next stock chart analysis, which is Laurus Labs. Laurus Lab is among the leading API manufacturers in India. API manufacturers means active pharmaceutical ingredients manufacturers. They also provide contract research services to cater the needs of global pharmaceutical industry. When the company started in 2010, it only has one product. Now it has 60 plus commercial products. The company also has 116 patents. The chart you're watching on the screen is the daily time frame chart of Laurus Lab. If we look into the price action previously, it was consolidating in this tight range for a long time and gave a breakout from this level. The momentum started from there, moving up with making higher highs and higher lows. The stock is falling from the previous few sessions and it took support at the previous swing low and formed bullish engulfing pattern with surge in volumes. So I prefer to take entry in this stock if it sustains above 645 because there is a confluence resistance of 21 EMA and this horizontal resistance. My initial stop loss is below this swing low, which is 585. Since my stop loss is more than 9% from my entry point, I only enter 40% of my position sizing. And the balance quantity, I'll enter on break of this all-time high level. The lines I marked on this chart are the resistance levels for this stock. This is my trading plan for Laurus Labs. Sun TV Network, which is Asia's one of the largest TV networks, is my last pick. This company is engaged in producing and broadcasting satellite television and radio software programming in regional languages of South India. You can observe that the stock formed a ascending triangle pattern. There was a breakout from this pattern with a huge surge in volumes in the last session. And the targets for this pattern is length of base of the triangle measured from the breakout level. So I will be entering this stock with initial stop below 518. The pattern target is around 800. And the levels I marked on this chart are the resistance levels I'll be watching for the short term. So that's it for today's video. I will be posting few more stocks on Instagram and Telegram after the end of Monday session. Trade Green Official, all social platform account links are provided in the description below. Follow and join us there too. Keep supporting us by liking and sharing this video. This is Sia Vijay from Trade Green. We wish you all trade green for your next trading session. Thanks for watching.